What are your thoughts on students with average grades who go to a post-bacc program after undergrad to improve their chances of getting into medical school? And is there more that you would expect to see from a student like that?
I expect a student who does a post-bacc to enhance their academics, to really knock it out of the ballpark. They can't go to a post-bacc and have average grades, because then they're just seen as an average student at that point, or really in many cases below average. But if you've done one of these academic enhancement post-baccs as compared to the as compared to the career changer post-bacc, someone who was a non-science major and then came to the realization that she wanted to be a physician after working a couple of years, she's going to do a career changer post-bacc. But someone who was a science major and had average grades and wants to enhance his or her grades will do, in some cases, a master's or special master's. They have to do very well. Those students are successful getting into medical schools.